Alright guys, what's going on? Had a lot going on here lately, as I was telling y'all there a couple videos ago. Next few videos will probably be, just a bunch of different stuff, but it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there getting it done for whatever reason. And what we got 20-mile-an-hour sustained winds. Pre-front, we got a thunderstorm bearing down on southern West Virginia right now. And going back to the hidden pond, there's a bunch of other stuff I'd like to show y'all in this area, but I'm not going to because it'll blow it out. Like I said, I don't show a whole lot of footage of this place coming in and out, just to try to keep all the yahoos out. But this is a nice little spot. I'm gonna try to get on some crappie. I'll see you down here at the water. Every bit of it spring fed and holler fed. Real nice out here, man. It really is. I rode out the Little Beaver and it looks like the water's white capping. All these panfish in this little pond should be getting ready to go on beds. Look here at these buck rubs, guys. Look here where deers come in here and horn these trees. Look at this. Crazy. See that back corner back there? Really, that whole side over there looks good and calm, which the rest of it looks good too. So I'll see you when I'm fishing, guys. There he goes. He's gone. There we go. There we go. There's Mr. Crappie. Just a beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful, beautiful fish. All of them's about the same size too, man. Amazing. See you, buddy. All right. Going a little mission here. There's one right on the bank. That's a bass there. That's a bass there. Come here, buddy. Right on the bank. There we go. Decent little largemouth. Hell yeah. On the Joe fly, baby. Swear by them, boys, I'm telling you. There's a lot of inline spinners out there to choose from, but like I said, I'm real partial to these because they work and they're made in West Virginia. Boys, I swear they ain't cutting me no slack. I switched sides. What's that fish? Look, a fish running something out through there. Let that drift around. Wind's hammering this side. Nice little buck rub right here against the bank. Deers tore this place up. Got my stuff back here under a tree, so I can throw to that side from over here, But this whole point right here is covered in them pads. Like I said, I don't think they're lily pads, but there's something else. See, now I can change angles on them. Okay, guys. I switched jigs. Mr. Crappie jig on here. Yellow and white. That paint might not be bright enough to you know, to suit him. He might not key in on it enough. That water's a little dark, like brackish water. If you're in a tight spot, I ain't even gonna try to jerk that bait caster out in here. There's one. There we go. Hey, come off right there. Hey, come off right there. Damn, I got my rod hung in that damn tree. He hit that on the fall. He's a brush pile over there. There, who's one grabbed it again? All right. I don't know why I picked this jerk bait up, but I did. See what happens. This rain's gonna get me, guys. There's one right off the bank. What is that? Little old bass. Hell yeah, look there. Jerk bait's big as he is. Ain't that something? I'll take him. All right, guys. These 5 or 6 bass laying right there off the corner of these cattails. Guys, I don't know if you see them fish, but they're laying all out in front of me right here. Water's a couple feet deep, but right there you can see his tail barely. It's catching. This is shallow water right here. I ain't got much room to jerk. I'm just gonna have to let the rod load up and wind them. Ooh, he had it right there, had it in his mouth. Just laying right here in front of me. They have no idea I'm in the world. I might have to bring a jig up here and bottom fish. There he is. He missed it 2 or 3 times before he made his mind up. Come here, buddy. Up here in about a foot of water. That stinger hook got him. That's what I like about these Joe flies. I'll take it, guys. All day, every day, and twice on Sunday. And what I done is I took that float off of that jig. We'll just use this jig. There we go, first cast. I believe oh! First cast, I believe oh! I flipped right there. I believe that fish is on a bed. I believe that fish is on a bed, guys. If he is, I'll catch him again. He's right there. Damn it, it's a good fish. I swear he's on a bed. One just come up right there. Boy, I about bit the dust right there on that soft bank. Right there's one about 4 pounds, boys. That's a nice one right there. Good fish. All right. Switch back over to the spinner. There's Mr. Bass. Oh, that's a crappie. No, it's a little largemouth. We'll take him. Sonny chomped that Joe fly. Monster. All right, guys, that's a wrap. I've been in here twice, and both times it was bad weather and raining. And we got a big one coming up this holler right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut out of here. Managed to catch a few. You know, if I can get in here on a decent day and take my time and really go through this pond, I'll find them crappie. It's just a matter of time. If some yahoo ain't come in here and cleaned them out. That's why I'm real hesitant about showing any kind of footage in and out of this place. But I did see a largemouth, probably about 4 pounds. And there's a lot of fish up in this upper end up here. So, you know, it's just a matter of time. As soon as the weather breaks and we got night temperature in the 50s and it don't drop under 50 at night pretty much anymore, it's gonna get crazy. It'll bust wide open. Guys, I got things to do. You know, I got some business to take care of. We're in the middle of moving, so you know, just y'all be careful. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep it real. Keep kicking ass, Patriots.